Your Honors, thank you for your invitation to share my thoughts on Senate Bill 1215, a piece of legislation which the country needs to pass without unnecessary delay in view of the crisis of corruption threatening our harmony as a people and the future of democracy in our country. Thank you, Your Honors.
Just a quick question, Chief Justice Puno. Based on your own inputs, you therefore, it is your position that the current ICI has inadequate powers to be able to address the largest corruption scandal ever in the country's history.
Yes, Your Honor, and I like to think that that opinion is shared by all the people in our country, especially the academe, the professors of constitutional law. And I like to think that this is considered even by the present IPI.